I'm Polly Bath, and I travel throughout the country helping schools manage and change difficult behavior that interrupts instruction. Today, I'd like to address one of your questions. Should kids have to wait for fun, like snack time or recess, until their work is completed? I was in a classroom not long ago, and one of the questions was, "Hey, it's Friday. Could we have a little extra recess time or do something fun this afternoon?" And I thought, wow, this kid is really reaching out and asking to do something fun. So I'm excited and I'm like, yeah, what are they going to do? And the answer was, which is pretty typical, all right? So I would say the same thing. The answer was, we've got a lot to do today. So if we can get through it all, that's a great idea. And then I started thinking about that answer. And I said to myself, wow, if I was a kid, I would have just heard, you've got to get through the dread of school before you can have any fun. Why should school be so dreadful? So think about that. Why can't we have fun regardless? So if that question came out, I know we have a lot to get to. I get that. I'm a teacher. I absolutely understand that weight on our shoulders. But if a kiddo said to me, hey, it's Friday, can we have a little extra fun this afternoon? I'd say, absolutely. It's Friday. I agree with you. Let's do it. We've had a long week. And I can almost guarantee that you could actually push them to get that stuff done by not holding it over their head, but by going ahead and saying, yeah, school is fun. And they're more internally motivated versus having to wait for fun. So just be careful how that message is received, because it shouldn't be dread to get to fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, watch these videos. If you've got questions for future videos, include them in the comments below.